National Emergency Message has been issued by the Department of Paranormal Anomalies Research. Please listen to this following message as it's important for your safety. We have been alerted about strange outages happening across the entire state. Most visited websites have been going down, people's electricity shutting off for multiple minutes or even hours for an unknown reason, and multiple witnesses have described seeing strange individuals walking into headquarters of most visited sites. Some citizens began protesting and even rioting, demanding answers from their local government. However, the governor hasn't given a statement on this situation and refuses to speak to anyone about it. We have also heard rumors of space objects or meteors crashing down into the protected forest. We have even seen multiple video evidences of this happening. Please, we ask anyone who has any form of information about these falling objects to contact us. Law enforcement also advised to not participate in these riots, as you might be facing huge fines. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.